Hi, welcome back to Raw Feeds. This week we will be going to Moravia in the winter. Moravia is located in the eastern part of Czech Republic, which is a neighbor to countries like Austria, Poland and Slovakia. From Prague, it's a 2.5-hour train ride to the east. I was really surprised to encounter a group of very young campers with hiking bags above their size in the train traveling to Moravia. As the mountain is closer to the town here, the temperature started to drop to minus 15 degrees and everything starts to really freeze, but the weather easily goes up to above zero and the snow starts melting within a week. However, we decided to go for a hike, and the higher we went, the temperature started to freeze again. It was extremely windy, so the right layer is key to keeping you warm in the mountain. At some point, I had to close my eyes as the snow and the sun glare was too much for me. I was very happy with the hike, rewarded with such a nice view and thinking how small we are as a human compared to Mother Nature. Next, we went to another mountain for a cross-country ski, and it takes a while to master. I didn't bruise much, but my arms are just so sore from pushing myself to slide. Maybe my wax could be better, but I'm glad for surviving the first attempt.
Our first experience of ski is weird. You keep sliding through your path and you just keep falling. But the good thing, you can lift up your heel and you don't get stuck on the ski the whole like a snowboard or a rollerblade. It makes it feels a little bit more like walking and sliding through, so good for beginner.
The boys went to bobsledging in a nearby mountain, which is common sport for the winter. They decided to take it to an extreme by using a car to pull them through the snow. As the weather got colder, I decided to fight the cold with cold plunge in the lake.
Really kicks in like the adrenaline. I love it. Ah. Ah. I think because my legs is like the most kicked in the longest time. My upper body is just few seconds. My leg is actually painful. It's so nice. It's so painful when you go in for a few seconds, but it's just that when you come out, it's so good. Yeah, try it. Just for fun. Yeah, I don't care about health benefits. Braided tail horse. Horses one.
Finally went back home from the cold and saw my neighbor collecting her laundry. It's really cold outside and the temperature just suddenly dropped. I mean, you never know what the future holds, right? Thank you for following me on my journey, and I'll see you next week for yet another adventure in the cold.